Welcome back to my channel, Gabrieles. This is Rosemary, also known as Vivikarrina. I have a package here. I opened to check everything was okay, and because it's a cardstock envelope, so I wanted to check everything was okay. This package is from micas&more. It's the first time I purchased from her. She's based on Facebook. She's on Facebook, and she also have her website. But first, you need to enter her Facebook page and read all the description of the website and how this works, because she do a sale the first week of each month, then she close her shop and she do the shipping and that stuff. But she have very good prices. So this is what I ordered. I am showing you this because the prices are really good. And the first thing I'm going to take out is the fragrance that I ordered from her. This is the first time I ordered there. So she packaged this really well. You see? And I ordered Baja Castu Blossom. This is 2 ounces. Blackberry Magnolia. Oops. Rose Jam and Watermelon Lemonade. This one, which one? This one is what I want to smell. This one. Oh, nice. Nice smell. The watermelon, awesome. Rose jam. Oh, it smells like roses. I don't like the smell of roses too strong, but this one is strong. And Baja Castu Blossom. Oh, this smells awesome. The rose jam I will be trying in soap. I hope it smells very good, because the smell of this rose jam is really strong. Okay, those are those. And now the mica. Okay. This one is bronze satin. Okay. Cocoa brown. Beautiful, right? Champagne mica. Stellar white. Shimmer brown mica. Jungle green mica. Pear green mica. Very beautiful. Blue green mica. Aqua green mica. Mint cream mica. Ruby red mica. And orange coral mica. So I'm really very pleased with this. I will be trying all of this year. And in soaping, all of them were $3.25 or $3 for 1 ounce. So that is a good price. So that is all from this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and blessings. Bye.